Hello, good morning, everyone. Nan thau than hamo. Tu jing chu news, US news lompal te thai ok thami. Ban chim bang kai ban zoom lai. Ban ngai ding in kan ban som na. Group Hello, nan tam cheon halai ti zup nak kanai. Merry Christmas tha kan pha ne. Merry Christmas kan tin halai ma. Tu jing chu lompal te ka hen atu leo US borok khepe tlain news atoi te ka hen man that nak la van chim nak ka van nei bang lai ma cha be pi ngai apakhat naka green card ai tlai min ha cha zaida thai ok se ti mi atu chu suggestion long salo in suggestion ro na pek cha so ti long salo in law wa achang chang mi asi cha khan rarin a haw ngai ma cha green card ai tlai min ha cha top 5 rule thai ok athami te ma chu le ni zana ka hen Indian Republican Party ni Trump ni asui mi congregational map kong Republican Party ni andau na kong Indiana Senate Republican ni andau na kong khatlom palte ka hen update ka van tu bang lai ini zana ka van chim chang ban tuk in khan atu leo chu thong pang kha hot chin long mange ni zan na ya citizen a phi mi chungin or citizen kat lak ding in akal mi chungin som thum le priet jong khir an sinak kha kan van thai chon ni ni ya khan le atu hi ni zana khan Republican Party ni Trump ni asoi mi roadmap jong kha against an van tua lama kong chon green card kong kan ban chim la hi kan ka van lang tar mi pa he Korea pa asle hi pa kong he tlompal te kan van chim thlana green card kong he ai pe tlai mi si ruanga khan hi pa kong he video kan van ngai tan halai Park C John Park timi pa se ma he deport antua US Army atun mi pa se ma kong chakan ban ngai tan halai
How many United States military veterans have you deported?
Sir, we have not deported U.S. citizens or military veterans.
I don't believe you served in the military. I haven't either, but I think you and I can agree that as Americans, we owe everything to those who have served our country in uniform, particularly those who have served in combat. Do you agree with that?
Sir, I believe that people that are in this United States that are citizens have legal status here.
Madam Secretary, we are joined on Zoom by a gentleman named Sejun Park. He is a United States Army combat veteran who was shot twice while serving our country in Panama in 1989. Like many veterans, he struggled with PTSD and substance abuse after his service. He was arrested in the 1990s for some minor drug offenses, nothing serious. He never hurt anyone besides himself, and he's been clean and sober for 14 years. He is a combat veteran, a Purple Heart recipient. He has sacrificed more for this country than most people ever have. Earlier this year, you deported him to Korea, a country he hasn't lived in since he was 7 years old. Will you join me in thanking Mr. Park for his service to our country?
Sir, I'm grateful for every single person that has served our country and follows our laws.
Can you please tell Mr. Park why you deported him?
Every one of them needs to be enforced.
But you understand that many veterans struggle with PTSD, many veterans struggle with substance abuse challenges. This man took 2 bullets for our country. You have broad authority, by the way, as Secretary, to issue humanitarian parole, to do deferred action. Will you commit to at least looking at Mr. Park's case to see if you can help him find a pathway back to this country that he sacrificed so much for?
I will absolutely look at his case, but I want you to remember that
Madam Secretary, the man behind you, please stand up, sir. His name is Jim Brown from Troy, Missouri. He is a Navy combat veteran who served our country in the Gulf War. He's married to a woman named Donna, who came to our country legally from Ireland when she was 11 years old. She has lived here for 48 years. Because of you, Jim's wife, Donna, has been in prison for the last 4 months. She did not come here illegally, and she has never committed any crime other than writing 2 bad checks totaling $80 10 years ago. She is currently in prison and facing deportation. Ms. Noem, will you thank Mr. Brown for his service to our country?
Thank you, Mr. Brown, for your service to our country.
Now, what possible explanation can there be for locking up his wife for 4 months when she has committed no crime other than writing a couple of bad checks for $80?
Sir, it is not my prerogative, my latitude, or my job to pick and choose which laws in this country get enforced.
You have
and
broad
which ones
discretion
don't.
as the secretary.
We need to follow
You can issue
the law
parole, you
and
can do all
enforce
kinds of
the
things,
laws.
but you're choosing not to. Will you commit again to just reviewing Donna's case and reuniting this combat veteran with his beloved wife who also loves this country?
I will review the case.
Okay. Kahin John Parks timi pa heke anhulaya khen zoom in meeting an van tu pa e hika zona an kan hu mi chu Rhode Island in Representative Assembly kahen set mechanizer timi pa ni khan lawmaker pa ni khan heka hen DHS secretary nu ka van hal mi ase hika hen kan hu mi chu US rama hen citizen silowa khanchon US rama army vatuan len ko mana zaitluk inda ni hin ni chana hen a safety ti lo ti mi kha man hin awan lak tar mi ase hi pa he kumsari asin US a ume kumkul asia panama ral tuk nak a khan kun hi ni a khene ma apu chutichon rian atun khoti lo e ma khan ID ne chutika Purple Heart timi medal award an pek mi pa ase Purple Heart he US ni award an pek mi he zautika zai bantuk da an CTC chon athi mi minung na le ha apu mi ramcha a nun na pek en ha apu mi ti bantuk pol kha upat na ka Purple Heart timi award an pek mi na ase chu award anga mi pa chu nehin ni chana hen deport ase nangma te en mona chuak lai silo la kan mani da deport kan to alai ti kha se ama te en deport ai to e kahin kumsao pi US rama nuwa atu bantuken achung khar a family akal tak na te ka khan angai chiangai ngai ti mi kha kan hu mi se ama a story te he tlompal te until me kan ban zau ta to alai fiang fai de ten Sanjo Pass came to United States from South Korea at the age of 7 kumsari raksia US rakrami se he grew up in America and built his entire life here kahan anun nak chana mang graduating from high school and graduate he choose to serve the country he consider home by enlisting in the US Army ka US Army kha I team he ka hen US ram chu ke in kaloma karam asi ti mi dir honin I team e US Army zong atun mi ase Chon 20-year-old Kumkul Asiliwa Park was deployed to Panama during the 1989 US military operation known as Operation Just Cause. During combat, he was shot in the back. He was flown home, honorably discharged from the army, and awarded a Purple Heart. Kumkul Raksiliwa Khan deploy 1989 lewa deploy rakha ase e chulewa chon akenga thiamha aputronga khan chutachun ID ne atukan vanchim bantukan Purple Heart kha upatnak anpek early this year Park was told he would be detained and deported unless he left voluntarily tukum 2025 kumtuan dewa khan Park che detained kan to alai e nangma te in voluntarily te in deport to manai thim lai timi khan halkha tika khan After nearly 5 decades in America, he said goodbye to his children, loved one, an elderly mother and boarded a plane alone, leaving behind the country he fought for. The country ramcha a anun nak peken arak dau mi US ramcho akaltak anupi afale elderly mother kha makha find the case chung US ramma chang mi pa kha chuti chun ngai chia ngai in goodbye atin ha e US ram cha chhu ta ke ti ase chuta chun ngai chia ngai anun nak pek in khiam ha zong atuar e mei thal ka zong atong mi pa US ram cha a rian atuan mi pa nun nak pek in atuan chu ma mi pa rak tuan mi pa chu pam han chu nihin mi chana hen deport atong ma chu je ronga deport atong ti sia chun 2009 liwa khan drug kha angei ti se le zaitin da atu ti chu thei salo saman sal he ka lo mek kar pani achim mi chu ma drug process atu mi he ve big criminal alien tuk mi sual nak asalo midang cha a harnak ava pek mi ke salo ama pumpak cha te ke asako chu cha chun ma he big criminal asalo ti mi kha chim asana te in US law ya chun drug te pol zual le man le ti bantuk ka cha immigration law a khan chun kha phungbuar pakhat ase na te in ru ding mi chu ani kha ke big criminal asalo ti mi kha a case chu ase chupina ani chu cha so mi US rama sa so mi salo in ramcha rian atun mi ase e ma zong atuar mi ase chu bantuk ma atuar mi US ramcha pumkai pe ti ral atu e ma atong bak mi kha nangma la ke ma zong van isi tar usi la US ramcha pum kane pe ral ni angkan ka ma kan tuar trauma kan nga chudir huna atu bantuk boruaka kan ramma khir van se ve nau si la chu bantuk dir hun kaden a van thu ve nau si la zaitin da na feeling ve na timi ke van irot to nau se chu bantuk dir hun chuna se afala chung kharvial te US rama fight the case chung o umi ramcha atun nak vial te ngai chia ta in ma cha goodbye ati US ramcha chuata lekhi ka te khin ki anhu le ya zoom in meeting an to e ka te khin van hu le he ka hen nom ni secretary nu ni achim mi cho a case kan zo than lai ti mi kha adok na ka avan chim mi se le chu cha chun US ram kan umti ka hen kan chim ban tu kan ni zan zonga somthum le pret indiana a an khir na le green card permanent zelo kha an va phi a ong chang mi kha ma kha citizen valak ding te asako mi kha an khir na chu ban tuk dir hun cha se chu cha chun US ram khwa kan sak te ka khin a big in green card holder ranga kan chun ti anong ngai lehi ka zona han van chim green card angai min hani top thong US citizen salo e sinhama se ani kha US citizen asalo kum sao pi chum kum sari te ne ka changna te in US citizen hi cho ala lo le zai ruang ada US citizen thamang te alak du nga lo US ramcha chun anun nak pe kan atuan ko asana te in ramdo mi pakhat ma avasi le asi nga menung ti mi cho chimo ka thalo chu cha chun US ram mi sinak te kha alak du lo bia jong kha sa khomen asana te in ramdo mi pakhat asi ve te ka Korea ram adot bantuk in US ram ma khu asak ve te ka chun ram dot nak thinlung he citizen ala lo na te in ramcha khan ren atun thiam le citizen cha ala lo he pa he le green card kong happy tla in top rule thing ha ding mi cho ni chana aswal mi long ti long kha salo e kan van thei dinga ba pi mi cho apakhat na ka atu tan a hin kavan chim ha mi ding mi he ke suggestion long asalo suggestion long kha ira ring ti so long kha sati lo e zaida citizen law ba kha sa chang ma cha pakhat na ka carry your card green card kha khoi ka na kal nak po wa nai ken changlai rian na tun nak zonga na len nak zonga nai ken changlai ma kha citizen asalomi a big in citizen asalomi ni chun thai ding asa chang ma cha cho atu US rama law asa chang not just suggestion long salo atu cho law asa chang ma kha green card khanai ken lo asia chun zeida petana asa kho ti sia chun hol thiam lo chin chapna khan chun petana problem ti mi ke kan ton ti ka chun a problem a bui thak ngai ngai ruang chi karama rin atun mi long te kan sen ha nikhat te eyes ni ma palik ni ma angkan tlai I thong in chunga angkan kalpi mana nikhat te van o thong in I vo tam han khe ma man ni khin zekan tila har nak tam pi kha pek asa chang lungra thei nak tam pi pek asa chang chu cha chun ram chunga sia chun green card kan ken lai le khaka khan a mi cha green card ken har nak chu kan len nak zong asa se in zong asa se khoi kam hun po wa ma kha pi a chol kho I zon ding khaban tuk kha mu sak kho lo wa khan chun zekan tila atu liu kha chu zon ru nak ti mi nak an zaitin da kan tlai kho na la le zeida adik affair ti mi kha an kol mi dear hun situation na kan umteka khaban tuk kha kan mu sak kho chol na lo wa khan chun khoi ra ti thong ina kalpi chol kha foite chu cha chun khaban tuk boi bai nak chung khan lut nak ding cha chun green card kha iken bak a haw green card kha kan mu sak na la khata khan case kan nei la nei lo te po jong kha an zo lai that ko sia khan chun ang kan thla than ha khaban tu zona khan kan sul lo zonga green card kan ken lo sia khan chun kan story ang kan thei ti lo aswal pa mi minung te ko si chuban tu khena kan ton sul sia chun a foi na kan khoi ti di thing tu kho kan se khaban tu problem kha kan tong kho chu cha chun atu chu green card kha nai ken jong zal lai ti mi kha ro na pek sa so long asalon atu chu law bak asa chang ti mi kha thei a haw le apani na ka thei ding mi chu tharuk asilowa anin kan chimsun niza le ni som rit he chung he khol kan tlon asia khan chun ve ram chunga van lu than nak ding kha har ngai ngai chang chu cha chang khol kan tlon asia khan chun tharuk chung ro lo ding kha asanga ma kha atu a chun eyes le agency pol te po jong kha pe tle na kan nei vier ti mi kha kan thei mi se chun atu liu dir huna chun suggestion bantuk en pek mi cho green card ai tle mi ni chun khol tlon lo kha athabik green card adi mi ta tetan tu anga lai mo se green card deadline adi mi kha cho tu kha anga peng ko lai kha cho vai law akal ning dan te kha sako samhan se la atu liu thil kal dan cho khaban to citizen asia green card asia asalo de ngai ti mi kha thei mi cho se le ke issue da kan nei lo ti khan chon atuan latlai ka cha phundang sana ten khan tu kho cho se atuan latlai tu kha atu liu ram asining tu ni khan anai ding mi kha se la apani na appoint cho vai case anei mi na si bak a khan chon ram lenga chu bak loading ti mi kha se ram chunga chon travel khuatlon du a khan chon apoi tuklo le apakhat nak point kan chim ban tuk in khan khuatlon te green card kha ken chi peng ding khuatlon long salo ma le nak khua state a khoi ka kal nak po rian tun nak zonga green card kha ken phil ti loading asalai kan phai sabom te khan I chia peng ding sa changlai ma cha thei ding mi apathum naka tech file tech he phai sa income a umpek umlo pek a tech he file bak ding asa chang ti mi kha ase kha tech in kan am file mi zonga khan hinu he pa he tech a file ma US rama phungning in a ummo ti bantok zaikan tilai ning changlo in khua asama ti bantuk vial te kha atu che batak te in khan hlathlai nak kha thil kha antu chang chu cha chun tech he fal bakding ti mi kha ase chun apali na apoya chan update address within 10 day ti mi zong ha se ma hi he abapi mi thil asaton lo mi ase asana te in pakhat kan chok in kan chok kan thial tik zonga khan ni sha chunga khan update tu chol ding ma kha ni sha chunga update tu alowa khan chen zai ronga da hinu hi pani hin update atu alo ti bantuk in khan kha bantuk tiang an khan deport nak dir hun aphak lo zonga khan ni fatin kan nun nak live style khan har nak kha ang kan pek kho the thing zong tu kho se zai ronga da na address na thlen lo ti bantuk te khan ko hol kan chima khan jen petana share ti mi kha ase chu cha chon address kha thlending chu address thlen cho kan thai cho bantuk kan form kha AR11 kha ase AR11 a khan in thar kan chok le zelo a khan chen address kha ni sha hlana thlenna tu chol ding chu kho chon apanga na appoint cho speeding le DUI he ase DUI do not leave the country 5 years 1 atulio I thil DUI kha ti avan nun nak cho chulhana mitha te zong na sakau na sana tin khan DUI zong kha voi khatte nairak mi sual na ma kha chulhana zai petana na ton lo zonga atuwa hin bena bi a moto namong liu zonga tlai watong sual lo khaban tu ka khan na case an zo la la DUI kha voi khatte nai mi a sual asia chun ma kha tlai na ban ton sual I DUI na case a sual asia chun khaban tuk tiang khan pet tana sual na call in deport tiang kha anga ami ase le chokho chun speeding ticket khamo speeding ticket he ti anungai ngai chang atu leo dir huna chun moto kan mong te ka speed limit kha speed limit ning te in mong ding ma kha local law long asati lo local law I traffic law kan ma nak state I local traffic law sa so te long kha asati lo ma kha federal law pi a khan ai chang ma chu voi thum 2-3 time ticket anga ami na si atu tanna hen atu Trump admin tanga hen ticket kha naivan mi transfer asia khan chen ma kha boy bai na ngan pi na tong khau mi ase chulhani ticket van emi ticket te long he pek tangka liam tar sa so ti long kha asati lai lo chu cha chen ma kha kan thai ding mi cho ke mitha he zong kan tong khau mitchia he zong kan tong khau asana tin atu cho khaban to rule tanga kan ti mi te kha van I thai ding van thai kha abapi mi ase ka han ki to ni van hal mi he Secretary an tu aliowa nuwa a then mi pol kha zaitin asi apoi nak lai mo Secretary tu naka Secretary tu alai po kha cho aswal lo in khan abapi cho ase asana ten Secretary tu nak te pol ti bantuk zonga hen batak ti in kha bantuk kha case kha angkan hlet a khan chen petana boy bai nak cho kho mi ase asana ten adi ka main point cho Secretary ka tu shim ding ti mi kha ase boy phun sual nak ngai lo in chen an tlai lai lo ti karwat okay se sual nak ngai lo a khan chen tlai lo asako sual nak tika drakte pol mo chu kha ke dang sual nak kan ti mi pol ke khaban tok te kha ni tianga kan ru mi che sual nak ngai lo a chen ti mi tiang long kha se na ten sual nak kan ti mi kha kan ru mi che DUI te pol ti ban tok phum phai chen drak ti ban tok phum phai long kha kan ru mi se chu cha chen atu I avan be pi mi cho khaban tuk suan na kan tu lo zonga nunin si zonga khaban to suan na nan tu lo zonga motor speed ticket khaban tuk te kha motor mong thiam lo ruang dewa ma khaban tuk te speed ticket nga ruang te zonga khan khaban tuk in boi bai nak thil kha kan tong khau chu cha chun atlang pi in sual lo wa chun tilong kha tu dir hmuna hen asati loi khaban tuk te zong khan thil kha ton kho asa chang ti mi te kha ma kha atu liu I top green card anei mi na cha top rule ase ma te kha tu jinga tlompal te green card kong he pe parin khan kan van ro du mi na se le hika hen kan thei ban tu ken US ram cha serve me army atun mi pa man kha dai nihin mi chana chun zai real lo in ramle mi phun cha anun na pek ti mi kha dai respect pek lo in nihin ni chana deport to asako chu cha chun citizen silo khan chun alam he kan chim bantuk in khen zaitin da thil khe avan chan lai ti mi khe atu kumthum rong rang avan tang mi a hen chim kho lo ding mi thil kan ru phak lo mi thil he tam pi rak chhuak kho mi se zai ronga ti sia chun Trump ni hen atu a hen US ram chunglong salo in ram leng le zonga han road map he sway jo ma Hawaii te pol zong asia atu Ukraine zong asia Middle East kong zong asia road map asway jo ma chu cha chun ni zana kan hu mi cho European leader pol zong kha meeting an tua arwong cho an ro mi chu hi nu kum kul a chun ma him hai le ya betak te in harna kan tong kho ti an ro cha khan meeting an tua le Ukraine zong he atu bantuk in democracy ram kan ti ko lai kha thim nak le pan in akal tika ni chana harsat nak batak ten atuar na te in hi dir huna hen Trump ni hen batak te in dir kap nak anai lo tika khan an lungre thei Trump ni akom min ha he Russia South Korea North Korea ti bantuk long chim lo in juru ram rim rima akom min ha organization bu te pol he phundang de in akal mi ru nak anei mi chuban tuk deu pol he chun nei niam de in ti mi kha investigate an tu atika an zo tika ma kha kan hu mi se chu cha chun Europe leader pol jong he an lungre thei ni zana khan ton nak an nei ma khamhai le future kumkul ronga chun batak ten harna kan tong kho ti mi kha hi thil ni hin harna ang kan ton tar kho ti mi khan ro e chimdu mi cho ramdang zonga roadmap batak ten asway foreign partnership konga se chun ramchung zonga ma kha sway atu cho ramchung asway mi konga khan kan van kal tan halai Indiana kong kha kan van ngai tan halai
Leaders of Indiana's Senate had long resisted joining the redistricting battle, saying there wasn't enough support in the chamber for a new map. They ultimately agreed to hold a vote to settle the issue. That vote failed overwhelmingly in the state Senate by a vote of 31-19, with 21 Republicans joining 10 Democrats.
Se kakase atua khan nizan December na hlei nia khan Trump ni map asway mi kha against antwa ma chu zai da apal dan se chun redistricting fight ti se pengtlang then na kha kalpi mi se Trump ni kalpi mi cho atuwa ramchung a zaida congregational map asway ti sia khan chan midterm thim nak te pola khan tei nak an hu nak ha ding cha khan ma kha zaikan tilai Republican ni sit pakua Indiana Asia khan chun sit pakua thut na hu nak ha ding cha khan aizuam I Democrat Party le kha sit panhi show ding an khan tumtar ding an khan khata khan map kha asway khata khan state kip kha map kha kalpi cho ma mi se le hika zona hin kan zo asia chun Trump is pushing Indiana Republican to adopt a new congregational map that would eliminate the state two Democratic US House seat and give Republican all 9 seats, strengthening Go's chance in 2026 midterm election. This is unusual because redistricting normally happens only after the census, not mid-decade. และใจรวงอาดาอินเดียนา Republican poll นี่เห็นมาเห็นอันดาวที่เสียจนมาเห็นจน not mid decade สโลวิน after census นัวมิลูเรียลนักตัวหนูลงอ่ะฮิบันตุกฮิจูทิลตัวดิ่งสีที่มีค่ะทิลซีนิงจังห้อยอินคันทรัมป์นี่ฮิทิลตัวมีค่ะฟักปีอินอันดาวนักค่ะเสและฮิทิลให้กันจะเสียคันจนอินเดียนาใจเรานี่คัน Republican poll นี่อันดาวติกาทรัมป์นี่คันใจกันทีไลที่พอนะ threat ตัวนะ Trump has directly warned Republican state senator that if they vote against this redistricting plan, he would support primary challenging against them in 2026. That essentially saying he will help defeat them in their own party nomination process if they don't align with his put. Amani apus mi hekan align hun khatti an kalti lowa khanjan opponent asami ni khan angkan tailai timi kha se ma cha 2026 shanga khan atute in khan jaikan tilai lam ICL mi kha se lema hi or political view in khan kanvan zo asia khan chan nihin ni chana Trump ni akal pi chu ma mi hi political view kan zo sia chan house song ni asia Trump ni a power amhan na akal pi ning he tlompal te democratically long salo in Republican party zone ni hen a power amhan nak chunga hen analom ti lo ti mi kha anvan laktar mi se political view aya in kan zo an chin mi zo sia kan jon le hi zona en Trump ni hen Republican in the Republican poll threat atu na e lam konga se adang konga se ti nan tu lo sia chen kan phi na lai ti bantuk te po jong khan ching chau nak jong kha avan tu na chu cha chen mi tam pi ni o atu che di party long salo in ama du na ka kalpi lo mi cha ama party man ve a ching chau chang na ti mi kha mi tam pi ni ve zai kan ti lai an van chon le an van pur da ning kha ase le hi ka zona hen au mi chu indiana zai lo zona hen avan el tu na chu 31 vote 31 ni vote an thak e ve Trump ni map aswe mi against tu adinga khan 31 ni vote an thak e no tin an thak e 19 ni yes tin an thak chu cha chun ma kha Trump a road map aswe mi kha Indiana a khan chun atlam thling lo hi ka hen adau tu tak na admin an van lang tar mi chu Senate Roderick Bray, Senate Greg Good, Travis Holman, Spencer Derry, Senate Jim Buck, Senate Mike Bohachek, Senate Ed Clear, Timipol Ansenha. Le hi pol ni zai ronga da andau ti sia chon hi banto vote thak nak ding cha hen mepi voice asia thil akal ning dan asilo ronga ma he cho heti hen kalpi ok athami asalo ti mi kha aming point cho andau na ase an langtar virmi cho se le hi Trump ni map aswe mi a hen nihin ni tianga Trump ni aphus ningen akalpi mi alangtar mi che US ram chunga Texas la Missouri le North Carolina anse adang state poll ni chon nihin ni tianga Trump ni akalpi mi kong hepe paren align antu mo asia ando mo ti mi kha nihin ni tiang han an lang tar ri lo chu dir hun cho ase van chim du mi cho Republican party lila ni khan Trump ni aphus mi strategy zelo kan hin ni chana an van dau ma kha se US ram e politic akal dan zaitluk inda abui e an opinion sia an strategy sia an kalning zaitluk inda anem hu thiam lo e zai kan tilai tinging lo kan tilai ma lung ai rol lo kan tilai da khadir mun khan achunga khan thil ase hitin thil he hi Trump ekmin tanga hen awan lang thlu ma mi kha ase lang thlu ma mi kan titika anma le anma kallak zonga khaban tu kha lang atu bantuk in chua doi nak ti bantuk zonga se pakhat khat boi bai nak kha awan lang thlu ma atu cha kum khat long akal piri kum thum chunga zeitluk inda thil he awan kal ri lai e Trump ni hen road map patak ten aswei tika hen ni ni chana hen kan ro phak lo mi kan khal lo mi thil tam pi a chuak kho chuni chon citizen menung harna tam pi an kan pek kho e chuni chon anma la republican lila zong hi kum thum atang mi chunga zai bantuk agenda da achua pi lai kha chunga khan anma la anma zong an policy ai lo te lai ma lo te lai lo da khaban tuk kha thil khatam pi atang mi hi kum thum chunga hen achang kho te ding mi kha ase chon kam khat le ya D party la R party kha hi kum thum atang mi chunga hen batak te en khat ta le Trump ni phundang deuh in strategy mangen roadmap akal pi sia khanjan voidang US ram shui mi president ni shui mi nak en atulio tham he batak te in US ram aboi cham mi kumle tham zong asakho mi kha ase timite kha tu zinga hen van tlompal te sharing kan mandu min ha se nature sung green card kha renew anga mo se green card renew anga ko se ma te kha tu zinga green card kong asia Indiana Republican Party ni anma party lila sami Trump against antu anak te kha ma te kha tu zinga hen kan van update min ha US thompang thai ok atha tia kan van update kho min ha se sile violin kan ban dong tar ri lai adang thompang thai ok te atha deuh tia ru mi sia kanchan update kho kai ban zom lai arong chu US thompang he a hot chin lang mang lai na khase thaitar ok thamim se chen thaitar na kawan to chan lang mang te lai e ban to kan ban chem tika khan cheu khat ni Trump a war mi ni chen Trump soi ti phum phain kan an ru lang mang e zaida thil achang ti mi tu khe kan hu fian kho na ading cha khan kan chim rel mi kha se ti mi te kha man nol than ka ban du se kha chun tha o